Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your hand histories on Pokerstars. So when you're playing a cash game or a tournament, what you can do in the bottom left, there's this sort of toolbar. You can access the chat, hands, notes, stats and everything. In this section you can look at every individual hand right in here, and you can see my cards, the board, the size of the pot, the options, and what you can do, you can press this sort of arrow show hand button right here, and that will launch another window where you can literally go through the entire hand and look at everything that is played out instantly. So that's how you can do it when you're actually sat down at a table. But over here, you can go over to the tools icon on the right hand side, click in there, and then it'll usually bring you to the overview section, but go down to history and stats, and then the first option, instant hand history, brings up this window right here, and this will show you all of the hands that you've witnessed or either played in. You can go in there and look at the exact hand. As we can see, click out of there, launch the panel again, or you can go to this button. Is really quite interesting. You can go to this one, this 90-cent pot, and actually go to the share button over here, and that's going to launch another window, and you can copy this URL and actually share this with someone. You can send it by Messenger, Instagram, text message, email, share that with someone so they can actually watch that individual hand. Very, very interesting stuff right there. From there, if you're looking at multiple different tables, you can go in here to a separate table. You can either go to all tables. From there, I would close out, and you can go to the next tab, Get Hand History. And in here, this is where you can basically go through these settings. Let's say that if you wanted to get the last one up to 100 hands, or over a different time frame, maybe over the last 10 hours or so, or a specific hand, a specific tournament in different languages, you could press this Submit button, and then Pokerstars will send you an email with how to download the specific hand history and get that entire set of data. So anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.